Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to pay for a course on Udemy. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to log into your Udemy account. After that, here you can see the multiple courses. So simply go to categories and select your favorite course. After that, if you want to pay for your course, simply just select the course, and after that here you can see when you select the course, so simply here you can see the buy now option. So just click on buy now, and after that you will move to next page. So simply in order to pay, there is two options. One is credit card, so just type the credit card number, name, CCV, expiry date here, or simply you can pay through PayPal. So these two options are available. So here you can check the rate. So in this way you can pay